Hello students. So today we are going to learn chapter number 5, database concepts using LibreOffice base. Now you know the MS Office. So MS Office has Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Access. Same like that, LibreOffice is a Windows based or the Ubuntu based application package which contains Writer, Excel sheet, presentation and the base. So from which we are going to learn base. Base is nothing but the database. Now let's see which concepts we are going to learn in this chapter. So here the first one is database management system concepts, which is known as the DBMS concepts, in which we will see the definition of data, information, database and the database management system. The second one is various table operations, that is creation of table, entering records in it. Third one is query and form creation, and the fourth one is report generation, and fifth one is introduction to relational data model. Now in this model we will see the different types of relationships, that is one to one, one to many and many to many. Okay, let's see the certain terms in this chapter. The database has certain terms, in that the first term is data. Data means all kinds of facts and figures. Now we have seen the data concept in last year. It is also called as a raw material and the detailed related to the people, places, things and events. Data may be in any form. Data must be processed in a proper way to generate the useful and meaningful information. That means certain operations we have to apply on data to generate the specific and meaningful information. So data is nothing but unprocessed information. So data, the meaning is unprocessed information where processing is not done on that data. Second definition is information. So information is the required results obtained from processing of data. So information is the output which is generated through the processing of raw data. That means when we process certain raw data, for example, if I want the addition of two numbers a and b, so I will enter the first number in the form of a and the second number in the form of b. So when I add these numbers, then I will get the result in the form of c, and that I will store in c. So c is my meaningful information. So here information is nothing but processed data. So data means unprocessed information and information means processed data. Now let's see the concept of database. It is a collection of related data items stored in the organized manner. So here the meaning of database, whatever data we store, that is stored in the organized manner, in the sequential manner, in the ascending order, so that whenever required we will get the particular data. Now this database consists of, now the mainly database includes, first one is table, second one is query, third one is form and fourth one is report. So database is nothing but the combination of table, query, form and report. So what do you mean by table? What do you mean by query? What do you mean by form? And what do you mean by report? Let's see. So here we will see the first one, table. Table is nothing but the collection of related data. It is also known as a combination of fields and records. The fields are the vertical columns and records are the horizontal information. So here field, suppose I am using the student table, so which contains roll number, name and marks as the field names, and the whatever information we feel related to roll number, that is one, roll number 1, name suppose Anisha and the marks 125. So this is known as a record. Second one is query. Query is used to retrieve the information from the database. To access the information from the database, from the tables whenever we want, that is nothing but the query. Form is used to collect the information from user. So we have seen the form concept and different controls in last year. So same like that, whatever information we collected from the user, that is called as a form. And a report is used to represent the data in the printed form, that is final analysis of your data which is in the prescribed manner is known as a report. Now let's see the DBMS concept. DBMS stands for Database management system. Now what is database management system? It is a software which is which is based on four main topics. One is defining the database, second one is manipulating the database, third one is retrieving the information, and fourth one is managing the data in the database. So this database management system is nothing but a software which is designed to define, manipulate, retrieve and manage the data in a database. So here it provides us the various functions that allow us to make the entry to enter the information, to store the information, to access the information of large quantities and provide ways to manage the information. It also defines the rules to validate and manipulate the data. For example, if I want the students' roll numbers and names whose marks are greater than 100, so I will put a query for the table that I want roll number, name and the marks, and for the condition I will put marks greater than 100. So here by using this condition I can able to retrieve the data from the table. So it also defines the rules to validate and manipulate your data.